Lisa here from the Working Yarn. Today I'll be showing you how to do a single crochet. I'm using the Lion brand Woolies Thick and Quick. It's a super bulky yarn, so as I started crocheting I used a super bulky yarn to help me see the stitches, so if I made a mistake it was quite noticeable. So first we're going to make a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around once, my two fingers, once, twice. Insert the hook under the first, over the second, and then hook it to pull through, and then tighten around the hook. To make the foundation chain, wrap the yarn around once, pull through that loop, wrap the yarn around once, pull through that loop, wrap the yarn around once, pull through that loop, and you got 3 chains. Let's make 10. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There goes your foundation chain. To make a single crochet, the loop on the hook does not count. You want to skip the first stitch, the first chain, and then insert your hook in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2. Insert the hook, wrap the yarn around once, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn around once, pull through both of those loops, and there goes your single crochet. In the next chain, insert the hook, wrap the yarn around once, pull through 2 loops, wrap the yarn around once, pull through those 2 loops, and then keep going until the end. Insert the hook in the next chain, wrap the yarn around once, pull through, wrap the yarn around once, pull through both loops. Last chain remaining. So once again, insert the hook into the chain, wrap the yarn around once, pull through, wrap the yarn around once, pull through both loops. And there's your first row of single crochet. Turn your work. As you can see, the stitches make a V shape at the top. So skipping the first single crochet that you just did, you want to insert your hook under that V shape. So both of these loops. Wrap the yarn around once, pull through, wrap the yarn around once, pull through both loops. Insert the hook under those 2 loops, wrap the yarn around once, pull through, wrap the yarn around once, pull through both loops. Keep going until the end. Do that one. So once again, here's the last one. So insert the hook under those 2 loops that make the V shape. Wrap the yarn around once, pull through. Wrap the yarn around once, pull through both of those loops. There goes the second row of single crochet. So to get more practice, to make sure you have even tension of your crocheting, just keep doing another row, another row, another row of single crochet until you feel comfortable that you got it down packed. Thanks so much. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Also, click on the subscribe button below to keep updated on all the latest videos from the Working Yarn. Wherever you are in the world, happy crocheting. Bye!